Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and ZIP archives in Cat S53. To do this you will need to open a RAR app I shown you previously on how to download. Now let's locate the files that we want to unpack. Click on them. Here you can see all of the files inside that RAR file, and now click on the arrow pointing up button. You will enter extraction options and you can customize them however you like, but it's not necessary. You can click on browse to change the designation where the files should be placed. In this case, let's go for a document. Click on OK, and then when everything is ready, your files should be extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.